everybody, and welcome to our Adelaide Assembly. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Atkinson. Good afternoon, everybody.
I must say, Mr. Butler, you're sitting so nicely. I'm just going to give you a sticker. And I must say, Miss Thompson, you're also sitting very nicely and showing good respect. I'm just giving you a sticker. Everybody, welcome to our first YouTube assembly. I'm missing you all so much, so I thought it would be a great idea to say hello and do a special assembly for you today. We miss you all at Adelaide. It's so strange that all the children are not in school, but we haven't forgotten you. We know you're at home working hard, doing all of your home learning, and we just want to say hello to you. It's a strange time at the minute because currently we are experiencing a coronavirus, which means that school is closed. Coronavirus is a virus that can make people feel poorly or unwell. It can also be called COVID-19. Some people who have COVID-19 might have a fever or a temperature and a cough as well. And if you have a fever or a temperature or a cough, then you need to ring 111. Most people who have a fever or a cough can just stay at home and they get better soon. But some people have to go to hospital if they're feeling really poorly. We hope that everybody at Adelaide Primary School will not be poorly or need to go to hospital. The best way to stay safe is to wash your hands and to stay at home. So staying at home is the best way to stay safe and to not get COVID-19. So well done everybody for staying at home. We miss you and we wish you were at school, but staying at home means that you're staying safe. School is closed to most children. We're just having a few children come into school at the minute, but for most children, school is closed. And I know that's sad. We don't know when it will open yet, but when it opens, we will let you know, and we hope it will be soon. In the meantime, while you are at home, the best thing you can do is go onto our school website, adelaide.hull.sch.uk. Do you go on the school website?
Yes.
Do you go on the school website? Well done. Please go onto the school website and do your work. This is where you need to look. It's the Home Learning tab on the school website. On the school website, the teachers have been putting activities for you to do every day. The teachers have worked hard, picking really nice activities for you to do, for reading, for writing, for maths and topic. Have a look. Go on there and please do those activities. As well, some of the teachers have been writing you letters. Have you received a letter from your teacher? If you have, we would love you to write a letter back to school to say hello to your teacher, to draw a picture of your teacher, anything. And if you'd like to, you can post the letter back in our school post box and we will give it to your teacher. Now you know the facts about COVID-19. You don't need to worry. You just need to stay at home and stay safe. Keep doing your home learning and keep happy. We miss you, but I'm sure we will see you all very soon. Keep checking YouTube, keep checking the internet, and we will put more videos on there soon. Good afternoon, everybody. Bye-bye.